So we're looking at question 3. And in question 3, we have someone, I don't know who, but somebody, fires fires a pistol, and a 0.05 kilogram bullet is released. That bullet flies straight into a stationary wooden block, and it gets stuck inside of it. Now, the block and the bullet travel forward at a speed of 9 meters per second. So the bullet gets stuck in there and then it starts to fly forward. And I'm going to solve this one with you. Now we know that momentum before, or P before, equals P after. That's always going to be the case. So P before will always equal our P after, no matter what. So in this case, I have to ask myself, is this elastic or inelastic? It's inelastic. The two objects are stuck together at the end. So I want to use this formula because the two masses are stuck together. Okay, so now I'm ready to plug in. My mass 1, I'll call that the bullet, is 0.050. And we don't know how fast that one's going, so I'll just call that V. Then we have our second object. That's the 5 kilogram block, but it says it's stationary. So this block before the collision is stationary. So it has no momentum, so that's just 0. Equals, okay, so now the two objects are stuck together. So I'm going to add those two masses together. It'll give me 5.050. That'll be their combined mass, and they tell us that the velocity is 9. Make this a little larger so it's easier to see. Okay, there we go. So now we're ready to solve a bit. This part will stay. And let's see what 5.05 times 9 is. That's equal to 45.45. Okay, so now I divide both sides by 0.50. Let me do that. Let me divide both sides. There we go. Perfect. And now I got my initial velocity. This thing is super fast. 909 meters per second. That seems impossible for the speed of a bullet. That's like 2,000 miles per hour. That's not right. But whatever. There goes our answer. 909 meters per second is the speed of the bullet before. And it's positive, which means it's going in the positive direction or forward, which makes sense also.